Hello, my skincare beautiful girlies. You know, it's difficult to maintain your glass skin or your glowy skin if you don't have a steady routine. So I'm going to share with you my 3 times a week morning routine. Yeah, this is 3 times a week because I'm using salicylic acid and I've got sensitive skin. So if I go beyond that, I'm going to irritate my skin. So I have gone in with my cleanser, allow it to dry, and I'm going in with my salicylic acid toner. And this is the reason I can't do it every day, because I'm using salicylic acid. I'm going in with my toner pad, put on the product on there, and then gently go into my skin and wipe it all out. So what this toner does is to remove the dead skin from my skin. I have been a bit busy lately. I haven't been able to, post a lot of videos or get in touch with you as I should. I'm really sorry about that. I've been a busy bee. I've been on different holidays, and one of the days I traveled, I went to Nigeria and I had a time of my life with family and friends in Nigeria. Even though my skin was exposed to radicals and free radicals and environmental stressors, not because I went to Nigeria, but because I visited friends. I was juggling from one house to the other, from one activity to the other. My skin was not understanding what was going on. Like the exposure was just too much for the skin, but I was able to carry on. Yeah. So this is me drying it up, and I'm going to hydrate my skin with the hyaluronic acid serum. And if you notice, I am making sure that the tip of the serum does not touch my face, because the product in itself, they have properties that keep them from getting infected. They have anti-inflammatories in them, they have preservatives in them, so it will not make sense if you drop it on your face and get it infected. Yeah, you might have a breakout or have an acne episode because of that, or even other skincare issues because your pipette is infected. So yeah, be careful. Okay, so, and whatever product you're using, try to massage it into your neck as well. So I'm going to dry up the hyaluronic acid, and I am going to go in with the second product, and that would be the snail mucin. I'm still trying to hydrate my skin. I love snail mucin because it gives the skin this instant glow. Like when it dries up, it gives you this instant glow. Yeah, that's it basically. You know what? I seriously enjoy skincare because you know that feeling when you've gotten to a stage of stability in your skincare and you're getting to be, people are admiring your skin, like, oh, you've got a lovely skin. It gives, I don't know about you, but it gives me this joy, like it gives me this feeling. There was a day I was at work. A client said to me, oh, you have a nice skin. I'm like, thank you very much. And just because of that, she was going to give me a positive review with my superiors to tell them that I did a good job. And I was just there sitting. I was like, did I really do a good job? Or was it because she saw that my skin was, glowy and nice? So yeah, this is to tell you that skincare pays off. With or without makeup, you will still glow. You will still look good. You will still look presentable. So you don't lose anything investing in your skin. So that was my niacinamide serum. In between each serum, please, guys, give it about 2 minutes. You can air dry it. If you're in a rush, no matter how in a rush you are, do not mix all serums and then apply all of them. And I'm going in with my multi-peptide eye serum. Oh, I used to have a hooded eye, like funny eyes, especially when I wake up from sleep. My eye looks funny usually. So I've used this multi-peptide serum for about 3 to 4 months, and I can see a lot of improvement in my, under my eyes. I think it's just, doing its job, and I love it. Next thing is to go in with this moisturizer from Laroche Posay. I am just going to take like a pea size amount and apply it on my face. And usually what I do is, if I'm not satisfied, I go in with a second one to make sure that every part of my face is nicely moisturized, because this is the only moisturizing step I'm going to like take the whole day. So I usually like my face, properly moisturized, my face, my neck, and the back of my palms. Yeah. So I'm going to put it there, air dry it, and then go in with my sunscreen. Before then, I have a story. I have a story. So this story is one of the things that happened to me when I traveled to Nigeria. It was a mixture of happy and sad moments. Happy in the sense that I was eager, willing to see my family members, like my friends, my loved ones. I haven't seen them in a while. I just couldn't wait to see them. So I booked this flight, like name of airline withheld, because I don't want to mess things up. Yeah, I booked the flight with them. It was really expensive because I think it was 2 days to the day I would travel, so it was quite expensive. That wasn't a lot of issue, but it got to the day I was meant to travel. These guys cancelled my flight, and I wasn't informed. I had to travel all the way from the hotel to the airport, and they told me, "Oh, we're really sorry. We sent emails out to say we're not flying." I'm like, "Are you guys serious right now? This is my email. I didn't receive any email." Like, and they're like, "Oh, maybe it's the wrong email you have." I'm like, "One second. This is the same email address you used to confirm the flight. How come it's now wrong when you want to cancel a flight? Please, it's not a wrong email." At the end of the day, I asked them if they were going to make alternative plans. They said no. I should come back the following day to fly with them. I said to them, "Look, I've lost trust in you guys. I don't even believe you're going to fly tomorrow. You know what? Can I get a refund so I can take another flight and continue my journey?" And they went, "Oh, we have the process of refund. We can't give you the money." I said, "Especially because you canceled the flight yourself without informing me. You don't expect me to go and book another flight." Long story short, these guys refused to give me my money. And coincidentally, and honestly, that day I was bent on going to meet my family. So coincidentally, I found another airline traveling to Port Harcourt. And oh my God, they were boarding already, and I had to quickly book the business class just for me to travel. Love of family. So I traveled, and I was happy I traveled. But the problem is the other airline refused to refund. They never refunded. Like, they kept telling me stories. But, these are things that happens in life, and I'm like, why do these things happen? Like, why are people not organized? It worries me so much why people are not, why is it that some people are just not organized? Anyway, at the end of the day, I just carried on, enjoyed my stay in Nigeria, and returned back to our skincare. So this is 4 minutes after applying the sunscreen, the UV gel, and putting the fan over it, waiting and hoping it dries up. Of course, it did not dry up on its own, but I think to a considerable extent, it has dried up a lot. Like, my skin has taken it really in. So I'm just going to give it a bit of a little more time, to make sure it blends in a bit more. Yeah, I think this is exactly 6 minutes after application, as at this time it has blended in. I'm going to go in with this Acnecide and put it right on the spot where I have that acne growing. So this has benzyl peroxide. I'm just going to use it as a spot on treatment, going in straight where the acne is. So it's going to go right in there and kill the microorganism that is causing the acne to happen. And this brings us to the end of the skincare, the morning skincare routine. See the skin glowing, like the skin is giving everything it should give. 10/10 minus what? Nothing. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.